LANSON, Precision Machinery Company Limited, established in 2005, is a national high-tech enterprise, covers an area of 36,400 square meters, located in Foshan City, with convenient transportation access. LANSON has advanced equipment for designing, processing, manufacturing, and testing. Our major products are plastic injection molding machines and die casting machine for aluminum and magnesium. We dedicate to provide professional turnkey molding solution to customers. Our corporate mission is technical innovation, leading to bright future of machinery manufacturing. We provide stable, precise, and highly efficient products to customers under service idea of meet customer needs by providing turnkey solution. At the same time, also provide customers with complete customized service. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained SGS CE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, Africa, Europe and Asia, etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Hope can start our business cooperation with you soon. We are here to serve you.